Hi everyone, welcome back to Life with Akanksha. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your own ebook and start selling it online, even if you don't have any experience, fancy tools, or writing skills. If you want to earn money digitally, this is one of the easiest ways to start. So grab a coffee and let's begin. First step is to choose a topic. It can be anything: fiction, non-fiction, self-help. Anything which you are passionate about works. Ideas that are really going in the market as of now mostly are how-to guides, self-help books, recipes, or productivity hacks, health books. Since everybody wants to get healthy, productive, want to do something. Honestly, since we are just starting out, it doesn't need to be 100-page ebook. Will I would suggest to start with 20 to 40 pages. That can work also for a beginner. If it's less pages, just price it less. Step 2 will be researching and making a simple outline of the book, like introduction of the book, the problem, the solution, examples, conclusion. And अगर ये fiction है तो problem solution नहीं होगे. Introduction, the story, the conclusion, the climax, the conclusion, and everything, so that it has a structure. The structure helps you keep the book clean and organized so that it's pleasurable to read. It's a good read. Step 3 will be to start writing. मतलब just write the just write the basic fundamentals of the book once कि start ऐसा होना चाहिए, और just 2 lines of everything, starting, conclusion, and everything. And उसके बाद, if you are not a good writer, you can use free tools like ChatGPT or Grammarly uh, to help you along the process. But I would suggest having your own input as well in the book, not just कि आप पूरा AI से ही copy कर दो, because that does not help in selling of the ebook, because authenticity नहीं रह जाती फिर कुछ. I would suggest to go with some topics which you know about और जिसके बारे में आप अपना input भी डाल सकते हो. स्टेप 4 विल बी टू डिज़ाइन द ई बुक. बहुत ईजी है, कुछ नहीं करना, जस्ट गो टू कैनवा फ्री वाला वर्जन एंड उसमें सर्च करो ई बुक, एंड कोई भी टेम्पलेट उसमें से फ्री निकालो एंड उसमें एडिट कर दो, ऐड पिक्चर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. If you guys want a step-by-step process of how to make ebook in a Canva, I'll make a next video. I'll make another video for it. Please let me know in the comment section. And once आपकी editing complete हो जाती है in Canva, export as PDF, because as PDF ही it sells. Fifth step will be to create a cover. Again, Canva, very easy. कवर बनाना, यू डोंट इवन हैव टू डू एनीथिंग. कोई अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है हाउ टू डिज़ाइन, उसमें से कोई टेम्पलेट सिलेक्ट कर लो, कलर्स वलर्स चेंज करके गो अहेड विद इट. नेक्स्ट स्टेप विल बी टू सेट अ प्राइस. I would suggest, since we are beginners, so anything from rupees 99 to 499, 500 will work good for us. If it's a well researched, well thought book, then obviously go ahead and price it higher. And the last step, the most important thing, where to sell your book. So in my research, I have come across 3 channels where you can sell your book and which are very beginner friendly. First will be Gumroad. Second will be Payhip. Third is Shopify Store. These are all very easy beginner friendly sites where you can sell your ebook. Again, if you want me to make a step-by-step guide how to sell your ebook over there, please let me know in the comment section and I'll make a full video about this. And the last step, promote your ebook. अपने Instagram पे, WhatsApp पे, send it to your friends, family, blah blah blah, so that it gets promoted, people see it and people buy it. And that's it. Creating a ebook is honestly very very easy to start, and you can just make it in a day, spare some hours, make it in a day and be done with it. If you want me to make a video on how to design an ebook or how to sell it step by step, please comment below and I'll make that video. स्टेप बाय स्टेप गाइड जैसे मैंने Amazon affiliate की बनाई थी, I'll do that for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and I'll see you in the next video guys.